Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I'm here to go over your 9th grade ELA Author's Purpose project. Today we are working on a project workshop. We are working on revision and we're going to work in a group rotation. This means that we are going to have 10 minutes per group in our rotation, and groups are predetermined. We will have 5 groups and 4 people in each group. Stations are going to be labeled as follows. Station A is going to be with your teacher as a check-in to look over your work and also work in a small group of 4 people where we are going to look at the format of your project. Group B is going to be looking over the persuasive element of your project, just looking over the persuasive article. Group C is going to be looking over the informative part of the project, which is Article 2. Group D is going to look over to entertain that portion of the project. And then Group E is going to have a 10-minute mass break. So we will rotate through each of these different stations, and you will get a chance to go through each portion of this revision process. If you have any questions, please feel free to talk to me. There will be a video for each of these stations, so that way you get clear directions for each one that you go through. Alrighty guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.